Hello traders, today 26th of September. What a blessing beginning of the day. Amazing trade guys. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market dollar yen. So dollar yen pretty straightforward as mentioned in my previous analysis. We had this beautiful breakout. After this breakout at this morning, we have this impulsive move. After the impulsive move, if you look at here, price develops small correction and I was expecting one more push outside bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. So pretty straightforward. We had, as mentioned in my previous analysis, we had this beautiful breakout long, and after this long, as explained, might look for another pullback. So we had another beautiful pullback. Even today, this morning, as I explained to might look for another pullback or the breakout. You can see here the market nicely broken, hit to the final target. That's what I explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. So you want to see those analyses in real time? Most welcome, guys. Join our fast going trader community. Have a nice day.